YouTube, what's going on? We're gonna start this self-cut tutorial in just a minute. I just want to talk to you guys real quick. First of all, let you guys know I appreciate y'all, man. The last 2 months has been crazy. It's been busy. I ain't got a haircut in 2 months. It just wasn't a priority. It was so much going on, and a lot of it I gotta thank you guys for, man, for even having the opportunities that we're about to come into that I can't tell you guys about just yet. But I really wanted to take this moment and to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys more than you know. So let's start the tutorial.
YouTube, your boy looking crazy. Had to go in and do this self cut, and it's been a minute. Like for me, when I rarely get my hair because of time, man. But look at my hairline. Look at my hairline right now. It's yo, Matt, get the hands. He came up to me, he's like, bro, what happened to your hairline? It's just bangs, man. I really got a big forehead, and I got a receding hairline. What you want me to do? Let's hopefully. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a while since I got a cut this low. I was hoping that by the end of it, my hairline would look fuller, which is why I started touching it up now. I'm like, hold on, let me, you know, double check. Let me just see. It wasn't looking bad. I knew I was gonna be able to sharpen that up a little bit better once I got done with the cut. But man, it has been a while since I cut my own hair. I've been going to S-Craft Blends and whoever else will cut my hair. But bro, I've been on the road. I've been super busy, and it's not a priority. It's just not a priority for me. So I have recently posted on my Instagram a picture of my wedding day with my son, and I had a low cut that Matt actually did. Everybody's like, yo, that cut look good on you. So here we are. So I'm wetting the hair down, especially, you know, my hair is all over the place. It's been like that for a while, so I gotta train it to lay back down. So I wet it, and I took a brush with the blow dryer, and got it to lay down pretty decent. Now I'm using the cordless detailers. These things ain't even out yet, and I'm using them to ball myself out, and I gotta tell you, they cut like butter. A review on these trimmers will be coming soon. I already filmed everything. I just gotta edit it and make sure it's as informative as I can possibly make it. This is a struggle right here. I just use a hand mirror, and with that hand mirror, it allows me to see the back because of the wall mirror. So that's what I use. I use this dirty hand mirror. That's not mine, so don't judge me for how dirty it is. I could have stopped and cleaned it. I get it. All right, so I just balled myself out. Now I'm gonna use the Gold FX clippers all the way open to start my next guideline. The other challenge is having my glasses. And like I got some serious indents in my head. Like look at that bone behind my ear near my glasses. Like that's ridiculous. And I got it on both sides. I don't even know what that is. I got a weird shaped skull. Alright, so I have it about halfway closed, and I'm going up just beneath where I left off with the blade open, just to lower down this guide area some, and then we'll close it all the way and take out that. See how light it is now? Now we'll close it and we'll start to take out that real bottom line, that initial guideline that we set with the trimmers. I'm using my corners. I'm taking my time here, leaving the glasses on so I could see what's going on. Alright, you guys can see like that panel got blended out pretty nice. You don't see a line there no more. Obviously I'll fade in the sideburns later, but getting the back is the hardest part. obviously is the most difficult. Like you gotta have your hands in an awkward kind of, you know, awkward position. There you go. Alright, so now I got my number 1 guard. It's all the way open, and we'll start our next guy. Really using the same system that I would use on one of my clients. And I mean, I do feel like if you can cut somebody's hair, you can cut your own hair. It's just gonna be awkward at first. It's gonna be weird how you're holding the clippers, how you gotta figure out, you know, what works for you, how you can attack the back part the best. Some people use that self-cut system. I have one, and I don't really like using it. I feel like I feel like unless you have really good lighting, it's kind of difficult to use. Alright, so now we are about halfway closed, I believe, and we're just again doing the same thing, lowering it down until we get to this half guard, and this green half guard is what I'm using to blend that one open into that blade open. And this is where it gets difficult because I do have a lot of indents on the side of my head. So I'm gonna, after it looks like I completed the cut, I'll go back and detail it. Like after the lineup and stuff, after the lineup, because you know, once you line it up, then you'll be able to see everything a little bit better. So I'll do the fade, go through my system, and then once I'm lined up and everything's clean, then I'll go back and detail, and you'll see when I go back to that green half guard to kind of clean it up some more. And it took me a little over an hour, probably like an hour and 15 minutes. No, less than that, because I had about an hour and 15 minutes worth of footage, but a lot of it was like stopping and talking, because I'm in the shop, right? A lot of it was like playing with clippers and trimmers, because at the moment I got like these new Babyless clippers that ain't out yet. I got a whole bunch of stuff, and I'll be sharing it with the team, and you know, we start to talk and stuff. So I would say it took me an hour. I would say about an hour to cut my own head. And because I'm filming too, so I don't know. It's not like I'm coming out with a lot of excuses, but I feel like these are fair things to include. Alright. I'm going over the same area a bit because I feel like it's uneven, so, and we're doing the same thing on the other side. Alright, I'm going to use my number 3 because see that little ridge, that dark ridge right around the parietal ridge. Go ahead and buff that out a little bit. Between the number 3, I'll probably go number 3, number 4, and then down to the 2, just to get that dark area cleaned up, and that'll fix that area. And yes, you want to constantly be brushing and combing. It's no different than if you were cutting somebody else's hair. I don't brush as much because I have to hold the mirror, right? Like when I'm usually cutting somebody's head, I'm brushing with the other hand. So I gotta stop everything to brush myself and kind of reset the hair. Alright, so the fade looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna line myself up, and then like I told you guys, I went back with that green half guard, and I'm just cleaning up dark areas at that point. And I did that all the way around just to clean it up. So now I'm using a number 1 guard to lower my I don't know what you would call this, my facial hair, because I know if I said beard, trolls would be out in the comment section. But I'm just cleaning up my facial hair, lowering it down with a number 1, and we're gonna line it up with the detailers. For whatever reason, oh, that's what it was. That blade is so thick. I've never been a fan of the blades that go on wall. So I actually switched to the Skeleton FX. These are the gunmetal ones, gunmetal joints. I think these are the gunmetals, or those are gold. I think those were the gunmetal ones. I got gunmetal ones that ain't out yet. They're dope. But I use that to clean up the beard a little bit, and then I'm using the detailers for the mustache area, because I really want to be able to feel it in sensitive like areas where you're more prone to being nicked or irritated, so I can give you guys a real review, right? So now the cut is pretty much done. We're gonna enhance it. You see the beard line is there without the color, okay? Or the facial hair line. We just gonna add a little splash, just a little bit, nothing crazy. I don't want it to look fake. There you go, boom, just a little bit. Fill it in a little bit. All right, clean it up with the razor. Look at that side. That side's clean. Hey, I'm almost there. I'm so close. I got that little gap right there near my mustache area. I'm so close. And this is without, you know, doing the whole minoxidil thing. This is without using the whole castor oil thing. This is just me meditating and praying on it. All right, so yeah, look at the cut, man. It's coming out clean, I feel like. We put some no drip on there, which you can get at tomb45.com. And we're gonna finish the cut with the shaver. I did it all the way around the head. Now around my facial hair, just to get a little bit of longevity in the cut. And then you see that little corner right there? That's a little light. You're gonna fill that bad boy in. See that? Just gonna fill that in. Now I feel like $1,000,000. So what do you guys think about this cut? Should I leave the hair longer on top? Should I go back to the curls? Yeah, you guys let me know, man, what you thought about the cut. Not bad for a self cut, I feel like. If you're new to the channel, I got a bunch of reviews coming, more haircut tutorials. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff.